Hello everyone, I am Ankit
I'm Shree.
and we are Motomaze. In this video, we will be talking about gears. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, इनिशियली जो राइडर अभी अभी घुसा है, किसी ने अभी अभी राइडिंग स्टार्ट करी है, अपनी राइडिंग जर्नी स्टार्ट करी है, क्या एसेंशियल चीज़ें हैं सबसे पहले जिसमें उसको इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए और क्या अमाउंट में?
चप्पल,
अरे
टी शर्ट,
कैप अरे
ओ जिम वाले ग्लव्स जिसमें यहाँ से फटे हुए हैं।
ये ही नहीं पहनने हैं। इसकी बातों को सीरियसली ना लें।
लुक वेरी गुड। ओके,
मैं फिर से पूछूं?
नहीं। फर्स्ट थिंग इज हेलमेट।
ठीक है,
फर्स्ट थिंग इज हेलमेट।
हेलमेट फर्स्ट।
If your budget is allowing you, don't start with Steelbird or something of that sort. Don't start with them. Start with a minimum an LS2 or SMK. The basic versions also do the job. सर बचाना बहुत important है. The point of getting branded helmets is because they have certifications. Certification says that they have gone through a lot of testing.
ठीक है.
ISI certification कोई काम का नहीं है. We have very low standards of certification. तो जो भी DOT certification, ECE certification है, get those. Buy a helmet which is comfortable.
Oh.
Generally क्या होता है ना, लोग अच्छा करके ले लेते हैं, वो comfortable नहीं रहता तो रोज पहनने के लिए वो बहाने देता है.
ठीक है.
नहीं, I've seen a lot of people say मेरा हेयर स्टाइल बिगड़ जाएगा, मैं हेलमेट पहनूंगा, वो चिपक जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा.
सैडली ये बात मैं नहीं कह सकता हेयर स्टाइल की.
I have been wearing helmets since 10 years. I still have my hair intact.
But I
So yeah, start with a good helmet. Second thing is to get shoes. If not biking shoes, I don't want to see people in chappal.
और sport shoes.
कोई भी जूते are far better than chappal.
हाँ.
But if you are
चप्पल में नहीं
seriously into biking and all of that, get yourself basic riding shoes. Get shoes which are at least to your ankle length, because the first thing which hits the ground is your ankle.
Impact point.
You have these Clan, Scala, all of these shoes are in the basic amount जो तुम्हारे regular shoe के rate में ही मिलते हैं, around 4,500 or 5,000 rupees. Invest those money. The psychology starts even before you get on the bike. Now you're protected, so 90% of your job is to make sure you drive or ride well.
Carefully.
Once you're done with your shoes, then you come up with your jacket. Before jacket, you get gloves. I forgot the gloves. Don't buy gym gloves. I have seen 90% of people wearing gloves which end here.
या फिर cotton gloves.
हाँ. They are of no use. मतलब अगर आप वो खरीद रहे हो सोच के कि मैंने gloves उठा लिए हैं, now it will save me, नहीं. They don't have impact resistant areas at all. You have knuckle guards, you have palm sliders, which are major key role players in the gloves factory. Then you have gloves which hold your little finger together. So why? When you're falling ना 90% हम हाथ ऐसा रखते हैं. कभी भी ध्यान देना ये नहीं टूटता. It's always this deep.
Impact.
So when you're tying these together, the chances of this going behind है ऐसा नहीं है.
But
come. You need palm sliders so that you slide, you don't make friction on the road. Once you're done with good gloves, get a good jacket which has minimum armor level 2.
Basic तो हो.
Basic हो.
Back spine वाली side तो बचे.
कुछ तो हो. You have paddings here,
Shoulder.
and the back and the chest. Chest आजकल basics में नहीं मिलता है. Let's exclude this part, but you need at least elbow shoulder protectors.
नहीं और मेजरली गिरते हुए तो यार
यही आता है.
हाँ यही impact points यही है.
Impact points यही है.
एल्बो हो गया, शोल्डर हो गया, बैक हो गई. बैक तो होती
General.
हाँ.
Get right size gears.
XL.
Don't buy assuming कि मैं अंदर एक hoodie पहनूंगा.
कि मैं M पहनता हूँ तो XL ले लेता हूँ या L ले लेता हूँ.
हाँ. So that I'll have a hoodie inside and then it will be fat enough that the
Fashion
thing goes up. No, it doesn't work that way. Problem with them is that when you're going speeding and stuff, all of these things, even they go through aerodynamics a lot. So there is a lot of pressure जिसके वजह से ये पीछे जाता है. और गलती से उस पॉइंट पे गिरे हो तो यही सीधा पड़ेगा. There's no point of wearing a gear.
And even if you are riding in some conditions जहाँ पे तुमको अंदर हुडी पहननी है तो there is lining available.
There are different kinds of jackets for different purposes.
हाँ, उसके बारे में बात करते हैं.
We'll get to that. Then is your pants. Get pants. Eventually, it will take some time before you get the whole set.
सही बात है. एक एक करके होगा थोड़ा
एक एक करके you start so that if you are protecting your knees, your thighs, your back as well. Now, once you're done with all of the gears, you will be far confident than regular. None of the gear is comfortable.
ठीक है.
A lot of gears are never comfortable, but you need to get your body used to that. Then they become comfortable.
ब्रेक इन करना पड़ता है उसका भी.
There are different various methods of breaking things. You will get to know that once you start buying those things. Until then, the information is utterly useless. Once you have become comfortable with good gear, basic gear, every biker upgrades bikes. When you're upgrading bikes, you need to understand you must start upgrading your gears as well. Because जो तुमने बेसिक इक्विपमेंट जो भी लिया है, all of these are only certified till one
Speeding
point of crash. 100
Speed तक
kph का क्रैश पे है तो ये काम करेंगे. Now you're getting a 400cc, you get a better whole protective layer. You need to respect your body first. Then comes the respect of the bike. When you're doing that, you need to make sure that you are as protected as much as it is possible by 150cc है, मैंने 10,000 की हेलमेट खरीद लिया. Am I a fool or not? 150cc 1 लाख की हेलमेट खरीद, you're still saving the head the same.
सही बात है.
1000cc का बाइक है, 5,000-6,500 में तो हेलमेट आ ही जाता है. Your helmet must cost 5% of your bike value.
और वैसे भी जो तुम्हारा सर है वो सबसे ज्यादा महंगा है इन सारी चीजों से.
Yeah, it doesn't have a price. आते ही पहले क्रैश गार्ड्स लगवा लेते हैं, आते
Frame
ही
sliders.
पहले फ्रेम स्लाइडर्स लगवा लेते हैं, आते ही पीछे स्पूल्स लगवा लेते हैं, आगे लिवर प्रोटेक्टर्स लगवा लेते हैं. You doing all of this, it's a good thing. I'm happy you're doing this, but you're putting a lot of money in it. जो तुम अपने ऊपर पहले नहीं डालना मांग रहे.
मॉड्स
You're
में
not-
डाल रहे हो थोड़ा.
Yeah, you're not buying good helmets, good jackets. Rather, you're spending that money on a PPF.
सही बात है.
You're spending that money on frame sliders. That bike doesn't cost shit if you're not alive.
Enjoy your biking journey and ride safe.
Peace.